Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to access magnification options in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To access our magnification, we have to go to the settings, scroll all the way down to accessibility options, then vision enhancements. Here we have magnification and magnifier. Magnification. We need to add our shortcut to the accessibility options here, and now we can choose magnification, and by tapping this little button here we can choose our option. For example, bigger, smaller, bigger zoom. And as you can see, our magnifier is working by dragging this little box right on the bottom right. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.